There are two important aspects which we want to discuss in today's call. First of all, the levels in the market which we provided in the morning. So assessment, was it right? Was it wrong? That is the first thing. And second thing is that why we are providing these levels. Are we providing, are we supporting only the traders or the investors? What we actually are doing? So we will answer all of that. But first of all, मॉर्निंग में जो हमने एग्जैक्टली कहा था कि मार्केट थोड़ा सा ब्रीदर लेगी, थोड़ा नेगेटिव साइड में रहेगी, लेकिन अपसाइड डेफिनेटली कैप्ड है, 24,600 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगी और 24,400 के ऊपर सपोर्ट लेगी। सारी बातें सही हुई हैं, नॉट ओनली फॉर टुडे। अगर आप लास्ट 3-4 वीक्स की हमारी सारी वीडियोस को देखेंगे, सो सारी वीडियोस के अंदर जिस तरीके से हमने कहा है उस तरीके से ही मार्केट ने बिहेव किया है। सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन? दैट सिंपली मीन्स दैट वी हैव गॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड ऑन द मार्केट. Our analysis, our proprietary framework analysis works perfectly well in the market, and everything is available on YouTube and Instagram for you to see. There is nothing I need to prove. So you can see there, you see what I have mentioned and how the markets have behaved. It's completely compatible. Now, second thing, what is the use of this for all this for you? So there are two things. Either you are an investor and trader, or you are an investor, or you are just a trader. If you are a trader, so you will see that our understanding of the market is perfect, and that's how you can take advantage of it. You can subscribe to our plans, and you can understand where you are going to buy or sell in the market. So that's for traders. Now, for the investors, we we strive to provide them alpha generation on their portfolio. So if they are having 30 lakh portfolio, so we try to provide them alpha generation capability. So if Nifty is providing 10% return, we definitely would like to provide them alpha generation. So one alpha generation is picking up the good stocks. We definitely pick up good stocks, but there's another part of alpha generation which can be done through short term hedging positions. So through options, we take some hedging positions. अगर आपका portfolio नीचे जाता है या stable भी अगर आप stock market नीचे जाती है या stable भी रहती है, तो आपका portfolio तब भी perform करेगा. So that's what we are providing. Can you join this plan? Yes, definitely. If you are having 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs corpus, which you are investing in stock markets, so if you are investing that kind of money in the stock market, at least, then this plan qualifies you to be part of it. So how to join it? It just costs 9999 per month. So but definitely we strive hard to provide you much better returns on that, so that you can pay our fees. And it is far better than PMS and AIF, because the way they take commissions from you, right? 2 to 5% commission, and after that management fees, and there are so many other fees. So entire profit which you earn in PMSA and AIF, you provide back to the company. But for us, it's just the fixed number which you are going to pay us to every month basis, and that's how you are going to save money, because you don't have to provide any profit sharing or anything else. So if you are an investor, HNI investor, and who has low time, low bandwidth, right? कि आप कहते हैं कि आप ज़्यादा देख नहीं सकते, अगर आप ट्रेडिंग पोजीशन लेते हैं तो आप कुछ ट्रैक नहीं कर सकते. We just provide 1 or 2 positions in a week, or in couple of weeks. So that's how. You don't even have to look at your system. We provide the position, and we will just call you in case you want to exit or adjust that position. So that's how it is going to be. So like and subscribe and be a part of journey. Thank you.